Today on the Yummy Vibes, we are making this super cooling Chia Watermelon Slush loaded with hydration, flavor, and just the right amount of healthy goodness for summer. We are starting with half a watermelon, placed cut side down so it's stable and easy to work with. Now slice it into a grid so that you can get these handy bite-sized blocks, almost like mini watermelon pops. Next, gently remove the seeds from each piece. Once de-seeded, transfer all the pieces to a tray and freeze overnight. While that's freezing, let's prep our sabja seeds. Take 1 teaspoon of sabja seeds or chia seeds and soak them in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once they've soaked, they'll swell up beautifully soft and jelly-like. Our watermelon pieces are fully frozen. First, remove the green outer. Just scoop out the red flesh and cut it into smaller chunks. While chopping, keep an eye out for any leftover seeds and get rid of them too. Once ready, transfer the frozen cubes into a mixer grinder jar and now add 1 tablespoon honey, half teaspoon black salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. These flavors bring balance between sweet, tangy and a hint of spice. Blend everything until smooth. You will get this perfect slushy texture. It should look like a frozen sorbet. Take a tall serving glass and layer scoops of this chilled watermelon slush. Then gently add a spoonful of those soaked seeds. This adds fiber, texture and keeps you full longer. To take it up a notch, pour in a splash of green khas sharbat for that cooling, fragrant finish. Garnish it with few mint leaves and it is done. This chia watermelon slush isn't just a pretty summer treat, it's great for hydration, digestion, and even helps curb sugar cravings. Try it once and you'll want to keep making it all season. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Yummy Vibes, and share it with someone who loves fresh summer drinks. See you in the next one.